Fellow signers, are you a parent, are you a sibling or a caregiver of a deaf or a hard of hearing child? This video is a complete guide for you to learn ASL and to enable you to have a perfect communication and a daily communication skill with your kid. Do well to stay true to the end of this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and also be notified because we do this kind of video every week. Make sure you get yourself notified so whenever a new video is being posted, you'll be the first to know. So let's learn how to sign basic ASL sign for families of deaf kids. You, 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 you. Just use your index finger and point at the person. You. Me or I. Me or I. You take your index finger and you point at yourself for me or I. Me or I. She. He. It. There. Also take your index finger and then you point at he, she, there, it. You just point. Want. Want. You take your 5 flat hands this way, you place it out, and then you pull it to yourself with a bended finger this way for want. 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 More. 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 Yes. Yes. Now we are nodding our head to represent our hand, saying yes. So, yes. Yes. No. No. Like your N to a O for no with a negation. No. No. Finish. All done. Finish. Now you just flip out your 5 fingers this way using your dominant and your non-dominant hand this way for all done. Finish. So, finish. Pacifier. 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 Now you just take your index finger and your thumb, you put it together and place it at your mouth this way for pacifier. 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 Eat. 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 Now for eat, you just do it this way once. You just nod it to your mouth for once. Eat. Eat. Food. 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 Just like the sign for eat, we take it once, while food, we take it twice. So, food. Food. Don't. Don't. Now, just take your 5 hands and toss it away for don't, with a negation, of course, with a negation. Don't. 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 Worry. 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 Your facial expression is very important. Worry. 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 Milk. 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 Now, we like to think of this as milking a cow. So, milk. Sign. 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 Now, there are 2 variations of this sign. You could see sign, sign, sign. sign. Hot, hot, hot. Injury, hurt, pain. These signs are also in vibrations. You could do it pain, hurt, injury, and you could also do it pain, hurt, injury, depending on the context. So, hurt, hurt. Headache, headache, or headache, headache, or headache. Toothache, toothache, or toothache. You just place it around your cheeks this way for toothache or toothache. Elbow hurt or elbow hurt. Elbow hurt or elbow hurt. Drink, drink. Now you just make a C-shaped hand and then you place on your mouth and do this motion. Now this is the action you do when taking a drink. So drink, drink, drink. Great job, signers. So let's put some of those words into sentences. Are you hurt? You hurt? Do you want more food? You want more food? Are you all done? You finish? Do you want a pacifier? You want pacifier? You want pacifier? Do you want to eat? You want eat? Do you want milk? You want milk? You want milk? Do you want more food? You want more food? All done. Great job, siders. Do well to practice through. Remember, practice makes perfect. And a quick tip, this is just the first series of this family ASL signs. So do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, and also be notified, because we will be seeing you in our next lesson for this particular topic. Do well to follow through, learn these signs, and in no time you'll be a great signer. So until next time, keep signing with me.